Come with me to Hobby Lobby to check out some of their Christmas and holiday miniatures that are perfect for dollhouses and dioramas. They have a lot of new items this year that I did not see last year. Starting off right here, we have a lot of many different tree toppers, some that are star-shaped and snowflake shapes. These really tiny stars and snowflakes also match the tree toppers, so that would make a really nice matching decoration set. On the bottom shelf, there's a whole bunch of mini Christmas trees. These ones look like they have snow on them, and they're only $5.99, and also at 50% off, that makes them only $3. That's a really great deal. These glitter ones are gorgeous. I love how the glitter is in many different colors. It does look like the glitter is coming off. These ones are priced at $11.99, and at half off, that makes them only $6. There's this box of many different kinds of wooden ornaments with some small trees in there too. And then there are these really cute Santa tree skirts. And there's also these mini lights to wrap around your mini Christmas tree. I see these every year at Hobby Lobby. I really like them. There's also a whole bunch of mini garlands. Oh, these snowflakes are really cute if you want to do a whole entire snowflake theme mini tree. These ornaments look a little bit too big for a mini tree, but there are some much smaller ones right next to them, so you just need to tie the string on the hooks of them. There are also some mini glitter ornaments and these little tiny nutcrackers, so if you remove the string on the top, and they would make a really great piece on top of a miniature mantle. I really like these miniature pre-decorated trees. If you don't feel like gluing ornaments on yourself, those are a good option too. How fun are these plaid mini presents? There's also some plaid tree skirts right next to them, so you could really go all out with some of these fun themes. These are some mini frame ornaments, but if you put them up in a dollhouse on a wall, they'll look like a picture frame. And here's a little mini ladder. Definitely will look cute inside of a dollhouse too. And these little mini reefs would look really great on a dollhouse door or wall. There are some more presents with this really nice wrapping paper. They're getting so creative every year. And now going up, there are these little tiny white trees. I like that they're creating trees in many different colors now too. There's some really pretty bows at the top, and these to the right would make some nice wall decorations. So many of these items would be adorable inside of a dollhouse. I love these little wooden sleds to the right. They make really great miniatures just how they are. There are some more miniature presents. I love how decorated they are. They have bows and decorated with mistletoe. And these miniature cars with a tree on top would make the perfect decoration on top of a mantle or on a tabletop. And same with all of these miniature figurines. If you just remove the string and the hooks, they are perfect. These miniature lollipops look like they are just the right size for Barbie dolls. There are so many little tiny candy decorations. You do want to be careful if you have kids so they don't mistake them for real candy. But this candy garland is way too cute. There's also just some much more simple garlands in many different colors. And there are these mini trees in many more different colors. You can have so much fun this year with all of these colorful decorations. Hobby Lobby really expanded their My Little Christmas selection this year. I have never seen so many miniature items in the Christmas section. I'm moving on to some of the other aisles to find some more Christmas miniatures. This aisle looks like it's filled with so many different mini Christmas trees. These trees look very realistic. They have some white flocking on them, making it look like real snow. They're priced at $4.99, and at half off, that makes them only $2.50. Here are some more trees on the top shelf, and these don't look as realistic because the snow is painted white, but these are already pre-decorated. It looks like the base is a spool, and they have a really cute star on the top too. And moving on to the right, here are some more of these realistic mini trees with flocking And going up, there's even more mini decorated trees and colorful ornaments. These trees are a great time saver if you don't have the time to decorate them yourself and just want to put them in a dollhouse to get your dollhouse into the holiday spirit. Going down the aisle, there are much more bigger trees. Maybe those would be great for American Girl dolls. I'm going to continue going to some of the other aisles to find some miniature holiday decorations. They have a lot of these holiday items that are made from either wood or paper, and they would also make really great decorations inside of a dollhouse. And moving on to the very bottom shelf, there is a whole bunch of these mini paper designs with different Christmas and holiday designs. This would make really great miniature wrapping paper. I love using scrapbook paper for miniature cards and wrapping paper, gift wrap, and for making miniature gift bags. And these really small designs would work perfect for that. The smaller the design, the better of a miniature that it makes. They have a lot of paper packs to choose from. I have never seen this many, and they're reasonably priced too, even without any discount. Currently, they're 50% off, so that's a really great deal. These miniature elves are really cute. They're actually made from fabric. It looks like they have a real beard and a cute pink nose. Moving on to some other sections, everything's kind of scattered all over the store, so I really had to search to find some more of these items. I found some more cool items in the craft section, like these little lights. They would make really great ornaments hanging on a miniature Christmas tree. I love these little tiny snowmen made from pom-poms. They would look adorable underneath a miniature Christmas tree. And these little Santa hats look like they actually might fit over the head of a really small doll. And towards the bottom, there are a whole bunch of these miniature figurines. They would look really cute all around a dollhouse. And you could really choose some fun themes if you wanted to do just all snowmen or some gnomes. There's a whole bunch of different varieties of the decorations. I'm really happy with the large variety that Hobby Lobby has expanded in their miniature holiday items this year. For many years, Hobby Lobby would just sell the same thing over and over from year to year when it came to their Christmas and holiday miniatures, and every year I keep seeing them expanding on their selection. They do sell out really fast, so if you see something that you like, you do have to buy it right away, because I've had that happen where I saw a whole bunch of things that I like and I decided to wait until the week after and everything was completely sold out. So if you see something that you like, buy it right away, because I've noticed they don't restock after it is sold out. Sometimes I would wait until they put the Christmas section on sale at 50% off, but by then, whatever you want might be sold out already. So sometimes it's not worth to wait if there's something you really want. I think that they are pretty reasonably priced even without the sale. Hobby Lobby does start stocking their Christmas section in stores or towards the end of summer, I've noticed. So if you want to start stocking up on some of these items, it'd be good to start going to the store around end of summer, so like around August. I have never seen these miniature pine cones before. They look like they are real and that they are painted in a layer of paint as well. One of the things that I don't like is that all of these Christmas and holiday miniatures are scattered across the whole store. I started off towards the front of the store. That's where I found the My Little Christmas section with all those miniature ornaments. And then the craft section, I had to go towards the back of the store, and they're on these aisles that are in between aisles, so you kind of have to search around to find some really good items, which can be a little inconvenient if you don't have a lot of time on your hands. So you do have to factor in some time to go find, search through all of the things. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am always posting on where I am finding all sorts of different kinds of miniatures, dollhouse items. I also make a whole bunch myself too, so if you're interested in those kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have some happy crafting.